everybody, this is Chad with round 2. So we are back to our regular monthly product spotlight videos. So this is for February of 2021. Some of you guys who watch our YouTube channel who are subscribed probably saw our 2021 yearly update videos we did. We put new videos up with a lot of the plans that we have coming for all of our new product. Some of this stuff you might have seen in some of those videos because it is coming this month, and then there'll be a lot of new stuff to show you guys too. So for this month, we have 3 1/18 scale Auto World cars for you. We have a new release for Johnny Lightning 1/64th, new Johnny Lightning 2-packs. We've got 3 new model kits to show you guys, a new slot car release, and then we've got some tin signage that we've been working on too that we're going to show you. So we're going to jump right in. We're going to start with the models. Alright, so first off in model kits, we've got a really cool one for you guys. This is next in our Super Stocker series, the MPC Pontiac GTO Super Stocker. And I just love this one. I love that vintage style artwork, is super cool. Of course, the GTO is just a great looking car, especially in that Super Stocker, the Super Stocker style. This does come with pad printed tires with it. A lot of really cool features in the kit. We've expanded the decal sheet as well. You can see a look actually right there at that decal sheet with all those great looking vintage racing numbers and livery for the side of it, and a look at those Goodyear tires, those pad printed vinyl tires on it. And then look at some of the really neat features of this one. You've got that great tubular roll cage in it and that tubular chassis, safety fuel cell. It's got the extra wide dirt tires on it, steel racing wheels, 180-degree headers for that motor, the detailed racing engine, all that great looking stuff. And there's a look on the parts tree for that kit as well. You can get a look at all those parts and features of that kit. So also in models, you guys might remember, especially if you watch the videos on a regular basis, we are bringing back the Wacky Races series. So a couple months ago, we did do Dick Dastardly and Muttley's Mean Machine. So this is the first release for the Compact Pussycat with Penelope Pit Stop. So this MPC kit, just like our other Wacky Races kit, really easy to put together. It's press lock parts that go together. It is color plated in this metallic purple, and it's got the yellowish gold with it as well. The wheels are free rolling, so if kids want to snap it together and roll it and play with it, they can do that. It comes with, of course, the Penelope Pit Stop figure. There's kind of a look at the free rolling thing on as well. Penelope Pit Stop figure can be painted and detailed to match the cartoon if you'd like. There's a look at some of the other features too. No gluing, comes right in together, no painting, and again those free rolling wheels. And there's a look at that super simple, super easy snap together kit, and you can even see some of those cool little decals down at the bottom. So again, these are just great kits, especially if you have a kid or a grandkid or something that's just getting into modeling. This goes together super easy. They don't have to get messy and paint it, and it's a good start to a new hobby for them. So we'll have some more Wacky Races coming out too after that. We got another one coming out soon, so stay tuned. Also, in this release, we have Trick Trike, number 6 of 6, the Cobra Chopper. So, if you've been following all the Trick Trikes that we've been putting out, a lot of really awesome ones that we've been doing here. This is the last one in the kit, that 2-seater Cobra Chopper, just crazy looking kit for that. This one has a customizing decal sheet. It's clear parts. It's molded in 3 different colors, and you can see a look at some of the really neat custom options on this thing. The poisonous pipes, the big wide rear tires. You've got the hissy bar, the coffin fuel tank, and a lot of really great little chrome parts on this one as well. And there's a look at kind of a little bit of the build up on the side there. And there's the decal sheet and the parts tree for that one as well. So that's everything we've got for models. Got a lot of really cool stuff coming for models, so stay tuned. Next, we're going to jump in, show you guys the slot cars. Alright, so for slot cars, we have a great release for you guys, an X-Traction Legends of the Quarter Mile release. So there's 3 cars in this, 3 great looking cars. First being the Dick Landy 1971 Dodge Challenger. You can see it there in the red, white, and blue Dick Landy livery. Again, another great variation of Dick Landy cars. You've seen a few other Dick Landys that we have put out here. And that Dodge Challenger body just looks great on that X-Traction chassis. Of course, raised white letter tires on this one. Second in the release, the Wally Booth Rat Pack 1969 Chevy Camaro in green. Of course, got the that Rat Pack livery on the side of it, and all the great looking race detailing on it, as well as white letter tires on that one. Also, third in the release, the Butch Leo California Flash 1970 Chevy Camaro. Another just great looking paint job. I love this whole series. That orange and white looks awesome on there. Got the California Flash lettering on the side of it, and all that just race specific sponsors and detailing on that. So that's everything we have got for slot cars, Legends of the Quarter Mile. Again, these are great to put on your Snake and Mongoose sets, all the other Legend stuff we put out. Next, we're going to jump in and show you guys Diecast. All right, so for Diecast 164th, we've got some great Johnny Lightning stuff to show you guys. First off being our new Muscle Cars USA set. Of course, 6 cars in this set. You know how we do it, A's and B's of each one. First car being the 1971 Dodge Charger Super B. You can see the first one there in bright blue. Great looking detailing on that one. Black detailing on the roof. Chrome wheels, blue interior. Awesome looking car for this. The B version is in Plum Crazy. You know we love Plum Crazy Mopars. So, again, got the black detailing on that. All the really great paint details on the car. Of course, you know we always put those out for Johnny Lightning. Just a great looking car for this one. Just super awesome. Second in the release, the 1970 Buick GS Stage 1. First version here. A great looking cream color, kind of butternut cream color with that brown top. You've got that matching tan interior with it. And again, just super awesome details on this one. Second is in Burgundy Mist. You've got a white top with that one. You've got white interior that really looks awesome with that brown. And, of course, the white letter tires, chrome wheels. It's great looking stuff for that. Next, the 1969.5 Dodge Coronet Super B. First one here is in green and something a little different. You got the green with the white top and white interior and that black hood, that black Super B hood. Just a very unique style for that. And, of course, the black steely wheels with the red line tires. Second variation here is in this butterscotch color. You've got the black top on that one and black interior rather than doing the white and the black hood on that. Fourth in the release, 1967 Chevy Chevelle SS. First version here in teal for version A with a black vinyl top. Black interior on that one. And red line tires, chrome wheels. And second, this gorgeous looking dark blue color. You've got a lighter blue interior that really brings out the blue in that dark paint. Chrome wheels for that one as well, and red line tires. Another just great looking Chevelle. Next, this is a really cool one. These, the 1964 Ford Thunderbolt, the Tasca Ford car. First one is in this dark brown color. You got that gold top, of course. The famous Tasca Ford writing on the side of it. Awesome, awesome looking car. The 427 engine. And the second one is a Tasca Ford Tribute. So this one is a white variation of it. Another just great looking car for that. And then last for the muscle cars, the 1965 Chevy Impala SS. First version here is in this gray color. Great looking car for that one. Just awesome in that just regular color. No crazy frills or anything. Just a gorgeous looking car. And second variation is in green. Again, just an awesome color. This one has white letter tires on it and chrome wheels as well. Also, we have the 2-packs, Johnny Lightning 2-packs. So these are both Muscle Car and Corvette National 2-packs that we're doing. So 2 cars in each one, 2 different 2-packs. First being the Yenko version. So this is the 1967 Chevy Camaro Yenko on the top there in that light blue color. Look at that great red interior with that light blue color. Just looks awesome, especially with that. You got that black vinyl top. It just looks great. Second is the 1970 Chevy Nova Yenko Deuce in yellow here. Again, got the black on the sides of it, and just really, really cool, cool release for that. So, also for Muscle Car and Corvette Nationals, I love this 2-pack, the psychedelic 70s cars. So the first is the 1969 Chevy Camaro SS. It's got that 70s style, crazy paint job on it, almost like a lowrider style, super psychedelic looking. And just a great looking, unique way to do that 69 Camaro. Second is the 69 Dodge Charger Daytona with this awesome fade down the side of it. It's in that burgundy color, yellow fading into it. Just super cool 1970s style cars for that. So that's everything we've got for 164th. Next we're going to show you guys the 118. All right, so first off in 118 we got a really cool silver screen car hitting this month to show you guys. Of course, the Speed Racer, you guys have been seeing a lot of the stuff we've been doing with the Speed Racer license. This is the Racer X Shooting Star car. Awesome looking car for this. Some of the great details, of course, that super bright yellow paint. You've got the fully detailed interior. This actually has a lot of cool features, like a periscope that pops up on it, and there's a little oil slick thing underneath. And similar to how we did our other Speed Racer car, we did include a figure with this one as well. You'll remember we had Chim Chim and Speed in the first one. There's our Racer X figure, a new figure to go along with it, of course painted and detailed, ready to set next to the car and just make an awesome looking display. And you can just see some of the really great details on this. You can even see underneath it there on the box, and that all that cool chassis stuff going on underneath the car. And we're just really excited about it. We all love Speed Racer here, so keep an eye out for just this more really cool Speed Racer stuff coming out. Going to kind of some of our other 118s, we've been talking a lot about some of these 1930s era cars that we've been doing. So this is our 1934 Packard V12 Victoria. Now, what's really awesome about this car is, I think, the tricolor paint. So it might be a little hard to see on camera there, but it's got, the fenders are a darker maroon. You've got a maroon red along the side there, and then that lighter version on top. Just super elegant looking car. The interior is red like the top is too, so it really pops off of that maroon. Of course, it's got the opening hood, detailed engine, that V12 engine in there, with the steerable front wheels and the precise accuracy that you guys have known to love. So you've been loving these 1930s eras cars. We keep loving doing them, so we'll keep putting more out for you guys. Lastly, for 118, we got one more for you. We've been talking about Yenkos, the 1967 Yenko Chevy Camaro SS 427. So this is another really cool Yenko variation for it. Great looking black paint on this, super rich, deep black, and that really bright red interior just looks awesome with it. Of course, it's got the white striping going along the hood there, wrapped along the side. It's got the steerable front wheels, of course the detailed engine, the 427, and just chrome wheels. Great detailing on this one, so really happy for that. That's everything for 118. Next, we're going to jump in and show you guys some tin signs we've been doing. All right, so if you guys were watched our videos we put out about our 2021 plan, you saw we've been trying some new things, tin signs, puzzles, some cool stuff like that, kind of outside of just the normal realm, just to offer different things to hobby people. You know that we have our recent license with Mattel Hot Wheels. We've been doing all of our Snake and Mongoose sets through them. And we recently are doing these tin signs, these button tin signs, similar to the old Hot Wheels buttons that you would get back in 1969 or way back in the day of original Johnny Lightning and original Hot Wheels. So these are dimensional. They're really neat. They look great hanging up in a hobby room. So we've done 4 versions here. You can see this is the custom Firebird for this one. We did the custom Camaro, another great looking one. The custom Corvette, and the custom Eldorado. And not just in tin signs, we actually are also using these dimensional signs to do clocks. So you can do hanging clocks in your hobby room. So there's a look, same, we got the custom Camaro, the custom Eldorado, the custom Firebird, and the custom Corvette clocks to hang up in there. So again, just something different we're trying, and we've got a lot of new stuff. If you want to see some of the other stuff, check out on our YouTube channel the playlist we just put up with our 2021 plan. We had a lot of really cool announcements in there for you guys, new licensing and stuff that we haven't talked about yet, and you'll see a lot of other really neat stuff coming throughout this year. So thank you guys for watching these videos. As always, you can go on round2corp.com and see what we got. You can check out our Facebook pages for some sneak peeks, check out our Instagram pages, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't, because we're working on more and more content to bring you guys. Thank you again. We'll see you in March.